potential under-display camera. While not entirely confirmed, there's speculation that Samsung might experiment with an under-display camera technology for the S25 Ultra. This could lead to a more immersive, almost bezel-less display experience. The S25 Ultra is expected to have a more modern design with flat sides, similar to the iPhone 15 Pro and Google Pixel 9. This is a departure from the curved sides of the S24 Ultra. Thinner and lighter. The S25 Ultra is rumored to be slightly thinner and lighter than its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. This could make it more comfortable to hold and use. Improved display. The S25 Ultra is expected to feature the same 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display as the S24 Ultra, but with a slightly higher refresh rate of 120 Hz. Upgraded cameras. The S25 Ultra is rumored to have a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, in addition to the 200-megapixel main sensor and 50-megapixel 5x periscope zoom lens. New colors. Samsung is expected to offer the S25 Ultra in a variety of new colors, including a dark green and a light blue. The S Pen has always been a defining feature of the Ultra series. Expect further refinements in its integration, possibly including faster charging or new features like handwriting to text conversion or gesture controls. 3. Sustainable materials. Samsung has been making strides in using recycled materials in its devices. The S25 Ultra might feature components made from recycled plastics or other sustainable materials. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a significant upgrade over its predecessor, with a more modern design, improved performance, and a wider range of features.